Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your Amazon address. Whether you've recently moved or simply need to update your delivery location, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Now, on the account page, look for the section that says Your Addresses and click on it. This is where Amazon stores all your saved shipping addresses, making it easy to manage where your orders are delivered. You'll see a list of all the addresses currently associated with your account. At this point, you have two options. You can either edit an existing address or add a completely new one. For this tutorial, let's say you want to update your current address. Navigate to the address you wish to change and click the Edit button next to it. This will open up the address editing interface. Here's where you'll make your changes. Delete your current address information and begin entering your new address. Type in the complete street address, making sure every detail is accurate. Next, enter the city, state, and zip code. These details are crucial for ensuring your packages arrive at the correct location without any delivery issues. Before you finalize the changes, there's an important step you shouldn't overlook. Look for the checkbox that says "Make this my default address" and make sure to check it. This ensures that all future orders will automatically ship to this new address unless you specify otherwise during checkout. It's a handy feature that saves you time and prevents accidental shipments to old addresses. Once you've double-checked that all the information is correct, click the Update Address button at the bottom of the page. Amazon will save your changes, and your new address will now be set as your default shipping location. You've successfully updated your Amazon address, and your future orders will be delivered to your new location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.